Hi, my name is Matichyn. I'm a real estate broker, and today I'm here to show you a gem within Lionsgate subdivision in Schaumburg. Welcome to 436 Birmingham Lane in Schaumburg. Come on inside. Now that we're inside, let me show you around. So let's start with the living room and the dining room combo. As you can see, it's nicely open and it's beautifully decorated, but look at this. You have lots and lots of windows. You have custom window fixtures. They're nice and private blinds, and you have lots of light coming inside. That's what you want, a nice, bright and airy living room and dining room. Beautifully open. And then that brings us to a two-story foyer that when you come in, you feel this spaciousness in the house. And as far as private office is right here on the right side when you come in. And it's in a good size office. Now that most people are working from home, this is a great feature. It has nice view of the outside. And there is a potential for a second office here, which I'll show you very soon. So if you follow me around, to the right, we'll also find a powder room, which is going to be right over here. A powder room and a closet for your guests when they come in right from the door. And then we have a laundry room. So we have laundry, we have good storage in the laundry room, and we have a utility sink, which is always useful. Now, and there is an exit door to the garage. It's a beautiful 3.5 car garage. The main part of the house, right, where your family is going to spend a lot of time, is going to be kitchen and family room. Kitchen is amazing. You have storage galore, beautiful large cabinets, really nicely maintained. This house was built in 2005, and these are original owners. They're selling the house. The pride of ownership is really noticeable, and you can see all the nice storage. As you can see, pantry. We have all stainless steel appliances, great big island with storage on the side. And then we have the stove. This is gas stove with a great hood. And then you have these beautiful views from the kitchen area of the golf course, which will be one of the selling points of this house. So let's take a look at the views from the eating area. We'll go outside. Take a look at this amazing deck, an amazing backyard. Now the beautiful part about this deck is that there is a jacuzzi tub, already a hot tub that's built in, ready to be used. And there is a huge patio, a huge, beautiful deck where you can spend your mornings or your evenings in the summer and drink a little wine or some coffee in the morning and look at the beautiful nature of the golf course. Take a look at the family room. It is a two-story family room with a gas fireplace. And also we have nice large windows that bring lots of light inside. Now here on the side we have an entrance to a garage and to a basement, but before we go and see those, let's go and see this room right here. This is a sunroom, which can be used as a craft room or a second office, potentially a bedroom. And this is really great because it's really, really good size and still has the views of beautiful nature outside. So follow me into this area right here. This is the second entrance into the garage. Let's go ahead and go upstairs. All right, so there are 4 bedrooms upstairs. 3 of them have walk-in closets. The beautiful part about the upstairs is that the master bedroom is on that side and all the bedrooms are on here on this side for the kids. So this is one of the nicer bedrooms because it also has the views of the golf course. Beautiful big size. And it has a great closet space. So great closet space, nice, beautiful woodwork. Now, and we have a nice hallway bathroom with 2 sinks. Great for the kids. And then let's come in and see this bedroom. Huge bedroom with a walk-in closet. I mean, what else would you want in a house like this? All right, continuing our tour of the 2nd floor. So here's a 3rd bedroom with another walk-in closet, also big size. Last will be our master. So you see, I love the space between the master and the other bedrooms, so you and the kids can have some space. But then if you have any little children or you have any babies, then you can certainly have a crib in here, because the master is expansive and it has beautiful vaulted ceilings. Plus it has these picturesque views of the outside and the golf course. Exactly what you would want. And of course we have 2 walk-in closets, his and hers, all great size. And a great master bath. Master bath, so you have 2 sinks, you have the toilet room, a great jetted tub, and a big shower, and another vanity. Great, that concludes our 2nd floor tour. Let's go and see the basement. Here we are in the basement. Now this is a nice, very deeply poured basement, so it really doesn't feel like a basement. And it has nice windows. It has potential for a bedroom right there, with this big window, because this is an escape window, and it has a potential for a full bath, because it's already plumbed in for a bathroom. Right here we have a rough-in. And as you can see, the part of the basement is insulated. They partly finished it, but it just was not in the plans for owners to do that. The basement is huge. It has 2 furnaces, and these are all nicely maintained. And as you can see, these are great windows. We're actually going to the backyard, and you can see the patio from here. Thank you for taking the tour of this beautiful home. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private tour, contact your agent or contact us, and we'll be happy to do that.